On the 7th of October, myself and the project manager for the road safety 2 has met with PAHO, who has pledged their support in identifying how we can move forward with improving the legislation, as well as providing some technical support for that element of it. As you all know, PAHO is most interested in that because it puts a strain on the health system. And so all of that, there is that collaborated effort. We are seeking regional funding to be able to provide that level of support, both technically and legislatively, as it relates to improving the legislation. So we are at that level.
Would you maybe concede that it's a larger problem in terms of enforcement as well?
Well, that's a part of the problem, and we have made efforts to see how we can make adjustments to that level of it. There is a collaborative effort with the police department as well as the municipal authorities to be able to sit together and discuss how we're going to attack the dynamics of that element as it relates to vehicles and driving habits and how we're moving forward. Quite recently, we had a session with a consultant who, and I've mentioned this in several interviews already, are looking at safe driving manuals and to see how we can introduce the concept of a graduated driver's license. So there's an educational element of it, there's a legislative improvement element of it, as well as to see how we can look from an enforcement standpoint to see how we can increase enforcement in areas such as highways, in rural areas, in areas where there are the hot spots as it relates to those motorcycles accidents and accidents on a whole.